Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Radical Measures podcast, episode number 19.
Yeah.
Now, as you can see, I'm going for the same sunglasses, the same t shirt. That's the level of research we bring to this. We are on a whole different level. We don't even leave the room, we get inside the topic. Inside. That is what I do, man.
Inside the topic.
Because some
The
topics,
topic. We are the topic now.
we become the topic. Tomorrow you will see
You
us.
heard of investigative journalism. This is intrusive journalism. Penetration times.
We are investigating ourselves. Tomorrow in episode 20, we'll be mentioning an article about us
Yeah.
in the newspaper.
Two
But-
comedians still not famous.
Yeah. And it will be printed in the obituary section.
And all other comedians will come just to throw cigarette stubs into the grave.
Episode 1 to episode 20. दोनों का photo. मेरा वाले पे हार रहेगा because of course Christian, you don't believe in garlands.
We believe in wreaths.
You believe in
Wreaths.
wreaths? What are
तो
wreaths?
वो round रहता है ना. Green
Oh,
color
wreath.
का. हाँ.
Yeah, wreath. Yeah. That is how not used to Christian rituals I am. The moment I heard you say wreath, मेरा दिमाग में हिंदी का रीत रिवाज. हाँ, वो तो अपना है dude. You were mentioning Reet Rivaj. Okay,
Yes.
got it. That's a different
That is
thing.
also a Reet
Yeah,
Rivaj,
that is also a Reet Rivaj.
Udhar, that is where you can like during funerals, na, you can
Yeah.
show how much you cared for the family person.
Oh,
who
the
died.
more
Yeah.
fancy the wreath with
Yeah.
all sorts of
Everybody
different
fights.
flowers.
"Nahi, I will buy wreath. No, I will buy wreath. That kind of.
I mean, it's the easiest thing to get
Yeah,
over
yeah,
with,
yeah.
na?
हाँ.
I cared.
Emotional support I can't give.
हाँ, मतलब I can.
Money.
Don't cry on my shoulder, okay?
No.
I already bought the wreath.
ये रीत है ना, support भी देता है.
ऐसा दोनों shoulder पे एक-एक लेके आने का.
It's got the same shape as like a tube, na?
Yeah.
वो हवा वाला tube.
It is just that no life will be saved
No,
now.
no.
Now, you're
Just
throwing
don't
it too
drown
late.
in your tears. That's all. Because that won't help.
You're throwing it too late. But there are some topics, that we need to sort of follow
Huh.
and look into very clearly and very precisely.
Huh.
Because otherwise, it's unbelievable
Huh.
that it happened.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The topic that we are speaking about is, of course, coming from the land of Kolkata. Calcutta, the city of Calcutta. Okay,
The 1950s Rishikesh Mukherjee old has got traces of pre-independence.
Yeah, I
India
mean,
and
of
whatnot.
course.
Land of culture and writers and people who
and
pronounce their surnames A के जगह O.
and smokers.
Smokers.
Lot of Bengali
smokers, drinkers, and every Bengali story has got a man whose wife is cheating on him.
Yeah,
that's
somehow.
apparently a thing.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay. It sort of makes sense also a little bit because you see a matriarchal sort of thing in Bengali culture.
Yes.
Anyway, so that is there. But I'm not speaking about that. I'm speaking about the Durga Puja thing.
Yes.
The festival that happens usually now, Navratri ka time pe.
Yeah.
And it's a big thing. It's the equivalent to, you would say, a Durga Puja thing is apne idhar ka Ganesh Chaturthi.
Yes, it is the festival of the land.
Yes.
That's it.
Correct. It's huge cultural implications. And not only that, there is a certain sense of enjoyment, euphoria, and decoration
Yes.
that comes with it. For example, Ganesh Pandals that we have in the city. Pre-pandemic, you had that thing wherein it has
कितना
to be
ऊंचा?
lavish.
कितना ऊंचा
हाँ,
वाला
मूर्ति
thing,
का
हाँ.
size तो है ही.
हाँ.
But apart from the मूर्ति का size, what will be the decoration? Every
Yes.
pandal goes for their different vibe.
Yeah,
You know,
that's-
the background.
हाँ. कभी-कभी theme भी रहता है ना? Like
Exactly,
there
the
were
theater
themes and all.
of it, the whole, it looks like अरे ये भी है वो भी है. It's like Avengers का time का कैसा
Yes,
रहता है?
yes, and all
Crossover.
political parties also come together and they have the
It's
pandal
all,
and it's
all
that.
crossovers.
Yes, yes,
all तेरा sponsorship crossover
Yes.
होता है.
मिठाई का दुकान, केबल वाला,
डॉक्टर
डॉक्टर लोग, हाँ, डेंटिस्ट
लोग.
डॉक्टर.
मैं अभी
मिठाई
गरबा का
का-
वक्त
yeah.
देखा मैं.
हाँ.
गरबा का वक्त मेरा इधर ऑर्थोपेडिक हॉस्पिटल है.
डांडिया से
उसका डॉक्टर स्पॉन्सर किया है और सीधा खुद का ऐसा
बजा
hospital.
बजा
हाँ.
जितना बजा सकता है बजा. कमर दर्द करना चाहिए लोगों का.
कमर दर्द होएगा, घुटना दर्द होएगा, गरबा खेल खेल के जो भी तकलीफ होएगा, आओ इधर.
The orthopedic is pulling all the old people. आओ.
अरे आर्थराइटिस टेंशन मत लो ना है मेरे
अरे
पास.
मैं है ना आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ.
So all of these things come together, and if Mumbai is known to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, in Calcutta you have Durga Puja.
True.
The same thing happens. You have a pandal, you have food, you have people coming together. It's a celebration.
Yeah.
Now, close to the Calcutta airport,
Huh.
around 8 kilometers close to the Calcutta airport, there was a
Yes.
pandal which decided to do something different. Okay,
Huh.
they decided to up the ante as far as the decoration thing is concerned,
Huh.
and they chose as their decorative piece
Huh.
Burj Khalifa building
Yes.
for Durga Puja.
They made a
Yes.
scaled down model of Burj Khalifa
Yeah,
apparently.
the crossover which will confuse radicals on both sides.
Yes, yes, yes.
कि अरे अपन ये लोग का अरे ये
All
लोग अपना
sides. Even communists will be like, अरे इतना affluent building क्यों?
इतना capitalism.
ये तो this is literally oil. Environmentalists also like oil country का चीज क्या है ये?
And they went for it,
हाँ.
and not only did they make a huge replica
हाँ.
of Burj Khalifa, they
Yes.
actually created a replica monument of Burj Khalifa for Durga Puja.
हाँ.
But they did not stop there.
Oh.
They have seen Burj Khalifa on Instagram,
Yes.
and they know there is a light show,
Yeah.
a laser light
Laser
show,
light show.
which happens when it comes to Durga Puja.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. When it
Sorry,
comes to
when it
Burj
comes to
Khalifa and whatnot.
Yeah.
And they were like, fuck it, we want this here.
Yeah, we need to show this here.
Yeah,
It
this
needs
has
to be a part of it.
मतलब इतना पैसा बना के इतना सब हल्ला उल्ला करके क्या फायदा if we don't have a laser show.
दिखना चाहिए रे.
हाँ.
ऐसा मतलब अपना
दूर दूर तक.
माइक ड्रॉप मोमेंट है वो.
हाँ.
अपना पंडल का माइक ड्रॉप मोमेंट है. लेजर
देख
शो.
के हर चीज ड्रॉप होना चाहिए
हाँ.
पब्लिक
अरे
का. थाली ऐसा गिर गया. क्या बात है
eyesight
Yes,
number
yes. सब
सब कुछ. The thing with laser shows
हाँ
is that it's usually done at music concerts or in an enclosed environment
हाँ.
because there is something about it
Yeah.
impeding eyesight.
हाँ
It fucks with your eyes.
Yeah.
And for that very reason, there is a law
हाँ.
against using lasers close to the airport.
करेक्ट.
There is a clear-cut law.
मतलब
You
तो
can.
बचपन में पेन लेजर था बोलता था ना तेरे को आंख में मत डाल
हाँ,
आंख में
आँख
मत
में
डाल.
मत मार.
वो एक बेसिक चीज था जिसका वो लोग बनाया एक लॉ जो सही बनाया कि एयरपोर्ट के यहाँ पे मत डालो क्योंकि भेंचोद पायलट प्लेन चला रहा है जिसमें पब्लिक है.
और ये ऑफ कोर्स पब्लिक पहले किया रहेगा जब
हाँ.
जस्ट लेजर वेजर मिला
हाँ.
तभी ये प्लेन पे मार ऐसा करके किया रहेगा.
पकड़ा
हाँ. And there are some reasons
Yeah.
why pilots tell कि अरे switch off your phone.
हाँ.
अरे do this because chances are things might not go bad.
हाँ
But why risk it?
हाँ
That's the
मतलब
whole
तेरे को
point.
वो डिस्कवरी का एयर क्रैश इन्वेस्टिगेशन बनने गए.
हाँ.
मत
मगर ये बुर्ज खलीफा पंडल जो है
हाँ.
they only went for the idea of looking amazing.
हाँ.
And that is it.
ब्लाइंडिंगली अमेजिंग.
That is where the thought ended.
Yes.
Planning में बाकी अपन दुनिया में है, सिटी में है, एयरपोर्ट है नजदीक, कुछ सीन होएगा.
अब सिर्फ हम
कुछ फोकस सिर्फ पंडल पे था.
हाँ.
कैसा दिखेगा?
हाँ.
Will it function or not?
हाँ.
And it functioned.
Yeah.
And it functioned to such an extent
हाँ.
that immediately all the pilots started complaining.
हाँ
Because all of them, when they are coming into land, they are approaching from a particular place.
हाँ
Right?
इट्स लाइक वो एकदम अभी मेरा पगार का टाइम है. दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आई डोंट फक अप.
हाँ कि बराबर
क्रिटिकल
लैंड होना
मोमेंट.
चाहिए.
हाँ क्योंकि इसी
angle
पे रिव्यू
में
मिलेगा.
पूरा घूम के फिर पूरा रनवे का साथ सिंक में ऐसा
हाँ.
आके लाइट्स का वो पूरा एक लिट
मैं-
अप रनवे. आई विल फॉलो एवरीथिंग.
मैं बोल रहा पार्किंग का टाइम है पर लाइक तेरा गाड़ी का पार्किंग नहीं है ये. दिस इज
Even गाड़ी का
Even more.
पार्किंग you
हाँ.
end up telling people inside the car चुप बैठो 2 मिनट.
हाँ या इवन देन यू आर
Reverse कर रहा है कि क्या? हाँ.
प्लीज चुप प्लीज शांति.
अभी म्यूजिक
ऐसा-
सडनली मत बढ़ा,
नहीं,
वॉल्यूम
नहीं,
मत
नहीं,
बढ़ा,
नहीं,
रुक
नहीं,
रुक
हाँ.
थोड़ा टाइम पार्क
हाँ.
कर.
वो
Okay. So that happened. And then all of these pilots who were landing the planes at Calcutta airport, they were feeling blinded because this was not one laser.
हाँ.
It was a laser show.
Full like
So all floors, the surrounding building,
हाँ.
all the lights, all the lasers were going up and down.
हाँ.
So there were pilots.
suddenly EDM concert.
And all of this was done for Durga Ma,
हाँ.
the goddess.
Yeah.
For goddess Durga.
हाँ.
But due to their actions,
हाँ.
the Pandal actions, the pilots were remembering goddess Durga.
Yeah, yeah.
अरे माँ प्लीज लैंड करा दे माँ, बराबर लैंड करा दे. कोई गधा लोग नीचे बैठा है.
prayer started.
prayer
वो
started.
इतना है.
prayer started. Either start of the lights happened, उधर हवे में prayer started.
Yes, भजन चालू हो गया वहाँ पे कि भाई please
And
help.
imagine if a pilot had to go ahead and make an announcement
Yeah.
to the flyers. Ladies and gentlemen, we have lost sight of the runway because there is some sort of laser show going on downstairs.
One guy in the aliens have attacked. The aliens have attacked. One guy.
One pilot is just telling the airport people,
हाँ.
please stop shining light,
हाँ.
laser light on our plane. We get it. There is half an hour to land. We get it. We have timed it. What laser? We are not doing. अरे कोई तो laser मार रहा है यार. And the irritation of the pilot, because he must have realized then and there, as a lot of things in our country, the perpetrator
हाँ.
is just not understanding the consequences of it.
हाँ.
Like lighting of firecrackers
हाँ.
near a cylinder.
हाँ.
It
वो
is
वाला
that. हाँ.
बेसिक
कि
चीज.
मतलब ये फटाका हाथ में इतना एक्साइटेड है फटाके के बारे में कि ये सिलेंडर देखा ही नहीं.
हाँ. वो वाला पब्लिक है.
And that happens
Yeah,
अपने
yeah,
इधर with everything.
हाँ.
And just like with everything, this also. And
You tell them कि ये होता है, they'll be like सही में होता है.
हाँ,
ऐसा होता है. अरे तो काय का पायलट है तू? उल्टा उसमें डालेगा.
तू लाइट के साथ नहीं उड़ा सकता है. अरे शी,
मतलब
क्या
ये
मतलब?
तो
मतलब तू क्लास मिस किया.
हाँ.
तू बंक किया
तू
क्लास.
तेरे को चलाने को आता नहीं है, मेरा पूजा क्यों बंद कर रहा है तू?
मेरा टाइम ही है.
हाँ, तेरे को तो नवरात्रि तो हर साल होता है ना रे.
मैं क्या सिर्फ मेरे लिए कर रहा है? तेरे
तेरे
प्लेन
लिए
के लिए
कर
भी
रहा
कर रहा है. ये भी है.
हाँ, वो भी है.
And imagine, the goddess must be feeling so confused at that point of time कि अरे ये लोग का भी मैं सडनली प्लेन का प्रेयर क्यों आ रहा है.
हाँ.
ये लोग का ठीक किया ना मैं, मतलब टेक ऑफ बराबर हुआ है.
हाँ.
ये लोग का लैंडिंग में लिख दिया बराबर होने वाला
हाँ.
है. सडनली क्यों ये लोग के इधर से प्रेयर आ रहा है मेरे को कि प्लीज अरे संभाल लेना, कुछ होएगा क्या सीन.
लाइक शी इज गेटिंग 2 prayers. एक तो इज लाइक ये लाइट शो अच्छा होने दे, दूसरा ये लाइट शो बंद करो. लाइक ये क्या हो रहा है? लाइक आई एम फीलिंग लाइक एन एक्चुअल मदर नाउ. मम्मी फैन चालू करो, मम्मी फैन बंद करो, वो वाला
एंड
घर
मम्मी
पे.
लाइक तुम लोग को काम नहीं है क्या और कुछ?
मतलब क्या हर दिन मम्मी 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 मम्मी.
तुम लोग को दिया है ना सब कुछ बराबर करने को, संभालो ना खुद थोड़ा कभी तो संभालो.
मेरे बिना भी किया करो कुछ.
मेरा मी टाइम के वक्त मेरे को ही तुम लोग काम पे लगाएगा. दुर्गा पूजा इज मी टाइम.
Yeah.
दैट इज द टाइम फॉर गॉडेस टू एंजॉय एंड रिलैक्स.
Pick one, mother or goddess. Please.
And there have been denials, immediate denials by the people in the pandal and whatnot.
Yeah.
नहीं कुछ कंप्लेन आया ही नहीं.
हाँ, हम लोग तो अपने हिसाब से
हम लोग को लगा कि अरे
क्राउड कंट्रोल है वगैरह. मतलब they wrote that, one of the guys said that कि no, it was impossible to like control the crowd.
Yeah.
So we stopped.
So many people came.
हाँ.
अरे but then that is why you made the pandal ना, so that so many people come.
Yeah.
So what is this explanation?
तो देखने के लिए विजुअल विजुअल ट्रीट. तू पैम्पलेट वगैरह बांटा, सबको व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज किया कि आने का क्यों?
पूरा प्लानिंग का रूम में the one word if you have repeated again and again, मस्त
सब लोग
दिखना
देखना
चाहिए.
हाँ, सब लोग देखना चाहिए.
अपना बेस्ट रहना चाहिए. सब लोग देखने को आना
या
चाहिए.
अरे कैसा चीज है, अपना ही पब्लिक पे डाल रहा है तो.
हाँ. अरे हम लोग बनाया मस्त सुंदर बनाया मगर पब्लिक आ गया रे, इसके लिए बंद कर दिया. इट्स लाइक अरे मैं होटल खोला, कस्टमर लोग आ गया, फिर हट यार
क्या करूं यार मैं.
उसका क्या पॉइंट
वो
है.
लोग बोल रहे हैं यार खाना ठंडा है, खाना लेके आओ. अभी क्या मैं उसके लिए बैठा है क्या?
And it is one of those things where you realize the application of common sense
हाँ.
is missing to such an extent
Yeah.
in a lot of cases.
हाँ.
Okay, especially when it comes to something around religion, because it's dil ka nazdik na, emotion, faith, all of these are big things.
Yeah.
And people are very
touchy
about it. They are very defensive about it.
हाँ.
But here we are not making fun of religion at all.
No.
The people.
Yeah.
The idiots.
Like you have no brains. That is why your gods have to compensate by having multiple heads. It feels like that.
Yeah, that's what it feels
वो
like.
तेरे लिए सोच रहा है चूतिया.
दिमाग नहीं चलता है.
It is that kind of shit that
It is
people
that
do.
sort of and hopefully
हाँ.
it does not end in a tragic incident of some sort.
Yeah.
Like
the problem is कि this happens every year. North और east side of कोलकाता में जो भी ये laser shows होता है, they always fuck up the plane का thing. So it tends to have, they tend to have, ये बहुत ज़्यादा था. This was literally disruptive कि लोगों ने complain, but ये हमेशा होता है. So it's almost like the fact that it keeps happening is enough proof for the people who to say हर साल तो होता है. ठीक है, अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं. And they just be like, go
But
ahead.
if it does happen, it will be for a very bad reason.
हाँ.
It's not ki malfunction
हाँ.
or you know, somebody hijacked the plane. It wasn't like, it was something stupid.
It is so weird. Reason for crash, very high visibility.
Or blinding
Blind.
laser show on ground brings flight to standstill.
This is an actual, why is this being used for religion and culture? This is an actual defense strategy. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, army में use हो सकता है.
Like laser show
Scramble. Yeah, just ऐसा dick chick.
Whenever you have army play opposite Air Force planes coming in.
तेरा पाकिस्तान कोई भी एयर स्ट्राइक करेगा, ये गलती से अपन लोग दुबई में आ गए क्या? गलत जाए. That's the last thing I saw.
No, or you will just have them landing and coming out to dance. Like party.
Cultural exchange.
Ejection seat का सिस्टम निकाल के 2-3 बाटली और डाला है कोई तो. अरे let's enjoy boys. Peace, we come in peace.
Peace and light.
Yeah, let's do that.
Hashtag let
you
there
know,
be
that,
light.
that should be the evolution of war. Which country can throw the best party?
Yeah.
Party wars. that is the way war should evolve. Like, oh, you think you can party harder than us?
Oh, dude, no one wants to follow Dubai. No one wants to follow Dubai.
It will be such an inclusive thing.
Yeah.
You know, you will just have people chilling out. Playlist wars hoega.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
playlist is a killer playlist
Oh, yeah.
compared to your playlist.
DJs will finally become like, you know, yeah, ये अपना आदमी है, ये DJ.
Exactly.
इसके
You
तरह
can
drop.
just go ahead and change these people like in an ideal, in some parallel universe
Yeah.
that is happening. Imagine
that is the
DJ
thing, na.
is like a major or a general, and tank का ऊपर speakers लगा है.
Dish.
And the moment they want to start a war, the turntable start. And whoever has the biggest mic drop moment wins.
The whole industrial military complex will turn into a college fest OC overnight.
Overnight.
Sir, sponsorship चाहिए.
Every gun manufacturer will be like,
yeah.
we need more bass.
Yeah. No,
Not in the recoil, in the speaker.
they'll turn into like t-shirt launching guns.
Yeah, AR-15 has Bluetooth connection and inbuilt speaker in the handle. And instead of the magazine, you put in the USB stick to change the playlist. That is what you end up doing. But who knows, man? Who knows if common sense is going to come into picture again? Well, but as long as it does
Maybe.
not,
Yeah.
we have unending content.
Yes.
We do not even have to do anything. Just go to Google News and ha ha ha. Well,
Achha, I
do have
thought
to
you were
live
talking
here.
about us. Yeah, we have unending content.
Oh yes. that is-
Sponsored by the world.
Yeah, sponsored by the world. Thank you. We appreciate it.
Every like goes to more content creation.
Every
Please
stupid
like.
action leads to something
Better.
fun in this room.
We are the silver lining for all bad news.
Yeah.
Radical Measures
Let's
podcast.
applaud the stupid people.
Yes.
Thank you. We appreciate your existence.
Keep what you're doing.
Keep at
doing.
it.
Keep at it.
The world needs you. No matter what people say, the world needs you.
Well, you're not listening to people anyway.
Exactly.
Look, bala, mat na.
अच्छा तो बोला था. Noel, there are many dictatorships on this planet.
Yes.
Correct? Not one, many.
Yeah.
But each and every dictatorship
Huh.
brings something crazy unique
Huh.
by itself.
Yeah, that's why we allow them, no?
Well, we don't allow anything.
Sort of.
But
In my head, I'm allowing dictators. Yeah. But
well,
yeah.
because what are you going to do about
Yeah.
dictatorships? What can you do? I mean,
Rehne de.
look at North Korea, for example.
Yeah.
Okay. It's run by one family for
Yes.
quite some time.
Yeah.
And the moment you're born, you are like subscribing to that. मतलब तू
Yeah.
है, तेरे दिमाग में तू जैसा नॉर्थ कोरिया में पैदा हुआ, किम
हाँ.
जोंग उन भगवान है,
Huh.
उसका पिताजी भगवान, सब
हाँ.
लोग भगवान. वो फैमिली मतलब ओ हो.
Huh.
Alright. And Kim Jong Un recently
Yeah.
was in the news
Yeah.
because he lost weight.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right? And all the news channels, everybody like, अरे
Yeah.
मतलब इसका वजन कम हुआ है, मतलब एक्चुअल कितना भूखमारी रहेगा सोचो, इसको खाने को नहीं मिल रहा है.
Or opposite, they're like, oh, he's finally started taking care of himself.
हाँ.
In
Then
a
there
country
were
of North
people-
Korea.
Then there were people who are like, oh my god, Kim Jong Un back in a new avatar. ऐसा करके.
Makes me go Kim Jong. Ooh.
Check out Kim Jong Un's summer board for this season.
South Korea has started putting out boy bands. North Korea puts out one guy,
Yeah.
Kim Jong Un.
The coolest Korean there is.
OG Korea.
Even his music videos will be so different because
Yeah.
you just have Kim Jong Un sitting while an actual singer comes and
Yeah.
sings and dances and then
Yeah.
goes off.
Bows and goes.
Yeah. Now all of these dictatorships, they have to put up a spectacle. They have to put up a parade. They have to flex.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody in power. That's a power dynamic
True.
basically. From the slumlord
Huh.
to a dictator.
Huh.
You're looking at these people who
Slumlord literally puts a flex, sing bhau tumsa ashirwad and whatnot. Kim Jong Un has to come and be like, hey, मैं गुंडा इधर का. Like याद रखने का.
मेरे लिए
Parade.
parade करो.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Parade. Because that's what leader of a
Yeah,
country
yeah,
does.
yeah. Hmm.
No, कि मेरा इसमें तुम parade करो.
Yeah,
North
yeah.
Korea का 70s वो जो party है,
Hmm.
workers party.
हाँ.
By the way, what a great way to
क्या irony?
not allow any form of laziness.
Yeah.
Workers party of North Korea.
You all work.
Everybody works.
Yes.
Everybody is employed
हाँ.
and everybody works
ये
for whom?
ये लेबर
For
कैंप
me.
लेबर कैंप थोड़ी, ये तो ऑफिस है. ये आईटी पार्क है. आईटी
IT
पार्क.
park.
That is his thing.
तो
Yeah.
उधर 76th एनिवर्सरी था
हाँ.
और वो मिलिट्री परेड
हाँ.
थोड़ा दिखा कि हमारे पास भी
हाँ.
इट्स ऑलवेज डूइंग दैट
Yeah.
इट्स ऑलवेज थंपिंग चेस्ट
मतलब दिखाओ थोड़ा क्या है अपना नया.
हाँ डराने के
चीज़
लिए
वगैरह, हाँ.
करते रहता है एंड the video has come out
Yeah.
of what happened at the parade.
Yeah. Footage.
Footage has come
Footage that, by the way, it's so controlled. So this is the footage they want us to see.
out. Yeah. Yeah, by
That is
the
what
way,
is weird.
Just to clarify, this is the footage that they edited and then released
Yeah.
to the world.
This is good footage according to them. So they.
Let's check out this video. Okay.
Okay, can you see?
Yeah,
हाँ,
I can
ठीक है,
play.
okay. हाँ.
So there's one guy who's fighting like 10 different guys and he's doing martial arts.
Oh my god, that's like a Hong Kong movie, dude. This is Jackie
And
Chan. and
oh,
shit.
they're breaking poles on him. Oh,
Huh. Oh yeah.
shit. Oh,
He just went Super Saiyan there.
look, everybody's just clapping like, yeah.
Huh.
Oh my god. Oh, that hurt.
Yeah.
The thing also did not break,
Hmm.
but it definitely hit him.
Dude,
Look at Kim Jong-un.
he's judging
अरे,
them.
concrete का slab तोड़ा, hammer
हाँ.
लेके.
Yeah, look, there's a.
Oh God. Like the level of intensity that
हाँ.
you can see with the army people
हाँ.
compared to Kim Jong-un.
Hmm.
It's way different.
सर सर सर
The
सर.
army people are, सर देखो सर,
सर देखो.
हम क्या करने को तैयार है सर.
हाँ सर, आप बस वॉर डिक्लेयर करो.
If you've seen the video also, you must have noticed there's one guy
हाँ.
who's getting beaten up.
Yeah.
I saw had two machetes.
Bricks. Yeah.
Two machetes.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Knives.
उस knives डाला.
Sword,
इसमें.
इतना हाथ जितना जो sword रहता है ना,
हाँ.
वैसा ऐसा 2 sword रखा है. उसका ऊपर कंक्रीट रखा है और फिर उसका ऊपर हाथोड़ी मारा है.
Hmm.
मतलब ये रिहर्सल में कितना बार गलत हुआ रहेगा वो सोच रहा है. बिकॉज देख किम जोंग उन के लिए परेड है तो गलती नहीं कर सकता तू परेड में. इसके लिए रिहर्सल वगैरह सब करना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
मेरे को तो लगता है रिहर्सल में मिनिमम 3 लोग मरा है,
Yeah.
जिसके वजह से वो लोग को नाइफ का विड्थ कितना रहना चाहिए. नहीं जाड़ा लगेगा, रे जाड़ा लगेगा अपने को. और इट्स अ मैजिक ट्रिक. नो
बेटा सीधा रख. नहीं, तोंड हिलना नहीं चाहिए. तोंड हिलना नहीं चाहिए. Like, no, don't move properly. No, we want it proper. We want it perfect.
also what are you trying to show by these exercises? Because in these exercises there's one guy who's probably promised
हाँ.
food for at least 4 months
हाँ.
to get in proper shape.
Yeah.
And he was like, हाँ मैं करेगा ना सब कुछ, मेरे को खाना देगा तुम लोग, मैं करेगा, मेरे पे डालो, ईट मारो.
He's sitting
मेरे
around
पे-
and dude, if I survive this, I'll be called every time.
हाँ.
Like this will become a lifetime gig.
I'll probably be able to approach the general. like, हर साल करते ना,
हाँ.
मेरे को पूरा टाइम खाना दो, मैं
Yeah,
करेगा.
yeah.
कोई
Like
scene नहीं है.
seasonal gig.
And
That is it.
this is one guy whom everybody is just like beating upon.
Yeah.
with the poles and he's just going yeah मतलब ये करेगा कुछ भी करेगा.
Dude, how many people are just signing up to beat that guy because they're just frustrated? They're like, I got to beat
No,
something.
but in which war
Huh.
would people on your side start beating you up? In which war?
Was they think this is what war is?
हाँ मतलब सब पोल वोल लेके कौन आ रहा है मारने को, लकड़ी लेके डांडी लेके आएगा मारने को. They think North Korea's military budget is every country's military budget. अरे सब लोग लाठी वाठी लेके आते रहे, ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है. And it was all just for show, because you saw those planes also coming.
Yeah, color tha, dude. Color
They are throwing like flares and
Yeah.
whatnot to show. यार ये हमारे पास भी है military might, हमारा air force का might देखो, हम लोग क्या है. And in all of this, this fellow is just sitting over there, and he has, all of this has been planned. Clearly, certain generals have recruited people. Choreography इसका plan हुआ है बराबर, just for it to be done properly. And then they have released this footage to the world, to world press, journalists and whatnot, everybody. What is the message? What do you think is the message of this?
You can beat us up as much as you want. We've got at least one person who can take as much beating.
तुम लोग मतलब, in a way, it's a very reflective thing about Kim Jong-un, because see Kim Jong-un से फटता क्यों है दुनिया का? साइको. साइको इंसान है, कुछ भी करेगा. ये न्यूक्लियर कुछ भी रिसर्च करते रहता है. ये टाइम पास में बोलता है मैं यूएस उड़ा देगा. टाइम पास में मतलब ऐसा ही गुस्सा आया सोमवार को तो मैं बटन दबाएगा. इरिटेट मत कर मेरे को बाइडेन. और
दबा देगा वो. हाँ. वो वैसा एटलीस्ट वो इमेज है उसका.
हाँ कि ये है. बैठ जाएगा बटन पे चढ़ेगा. लॉन्च
उसका फुटेज फिर बाद में भेजेगा तेरे को.
This is how Kim Jong-un launched a nuclear missile. Sat on the button.
और जनरल लोग ऐसा सर वेरी नाइस.
ऐसा भाग के आएगा फिर एंड मोमेंट पे ऐसा उल्टा हो गया. Just sit on the button. The idiot. And he basically is trying to show that as a representation of his army also. मतलब दुनिया को लगना चाहिए येड़ा लोग है, कुछ भी करेगा रे, कुछ भी करेगा. ये लोग के साथ लॉजिकली बात नहीं कर पाएगा अपन. ऐसा खुद को ही मारेगा ये लोग. अपन वॉर करने को जाएगा, खुद को ऐसा करके मारेगा.
ये लोग क्यों पत्थर उठा के क्यों लेके आ रहे हैं ये पब्लिक?
कंक्रीट उठा के लेके आ रहा है, हथौड़ा उठा के.
नॉर्थ कोरियन लोग अटैक किया, हम लोग को पहला बिठाया साइड में और फिर बोला पत्थर किधर है तुम्हारा.
The headline will read in the war between United States and North Korea, as the United States Army approached the North Korean base, they won because North Koreans ended up defeating themselves. A lot of factions of the army attacked each other with poles and hammers for some reason.
Most fatalities happened because of muscle soreness. Here's a news that gives you an insight into like Indian culture as a whole. This is something that just doesn't happen anywhere else in the world. All right, and it's happening in one of like the largest transportation networks that we have. It's probably the pride of India, which is our railway network.
Yeah, right. The oldest transportation method in the country.
Network in the country, probably the largest, connects the whole nation.
The one which the British like to take credit for.
Yeah. They always say, their best way of looting India. Like that. That's what it should be called.
हम लोग पार्टिंग गिफ्ट दिया ना तुम लोग को, ऐसा थोड़ी.
तुम लोग जा सकता है ना एक दूसरे के साथ गरीबी देखने को पूरा देश का. That is what Gandhi used to travel the whole country and see कि अरे सब जगह गरीबी है.
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा
इसका. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. But this is notorious for being loss making. The railways, right? Yeah. Notorious for being loss making. And there was one article that I read as to one of the expenses that the Indian Railways incurs. It spends 1,200 crores just to clean gutka stains.
Yeah.
Which are there in train stations and in trains.
Per year.
Per year.
Per year 1200 crore रुपया. 1,200 crore rupees.
This money. This is just to make sure कि पब्लिक जो थूकता है वो क्लीन होना चाहिए.
See, whenever it comes to railway infrastructure, we usually end up buying it from abroad. Especially cleaning infrastructure, yard में जो कुछ रहता है, tend to buy it from abroad. New machinery at least. Okay. some of it is fabricated here, some of it is assembled here. Either way, there are contracts with international companies for the same. Washing, cleaning, drying, ये सब के लिए. Just like how अभी अपन देखता है municipal corporations have gotten those trucks which you have seen, which vacuum the dust on the side and whatnot, and somehow seem like they're throwing more dust outside, you know, when they are vacuuming it. तो वैसा वाला infrastructure के लिए जब contract देता है तब अपने को क्या चाहिए ये बताना पड़ता रहेगा ना लोगों को कि मतलब देखो हमारे पास इतना
ब्रीफ देना पड़ता है क्लाइंट को,
हमारा इतना कोचेस है, रेलवे कोचेस इतना है, हमको हर दिन का इतना रेलवे कोचेस साफ करना पड़ता है, अपना इंटर स्टेट ट्रैवल बोल, ये बोल, लोकल ट्रेन बोल, और वो मशीनरी का साथ जब बात कर रहा है इंजीनियर लोग, ओके वी हैव यू नो क्लीनर ड्रायर ओवर हियर, वी हैव सेपरेट नोजल टू क्लीन द ऊपर का रूफ एंड दिस एंड व्हाट,
डेमो वगैरह देगा,
हाँ डेमो
सर ये देखो ऐसा साफ होता है, फिर अब ये अटैचमेंट बदलो तो ये साफ होता है, फिर झाग वाला ये आता है, फिर हवा आता है,
कंप्यूटराइज्ड है सर सब कुछ, आपको सिर्फ एक बंदा लगेगा बटन दबाने को.
and then one babu who has gone abroad eats pan, spits it and be like ये साफ होता है,
ये साफ होता
ये
है
main
तुम्हारा
pain point है
मशीन.
अपना.
That is the only way. Because how will you explain कि हमारे इधर थूकता है, हमारे इधर लोगों को थूकने को बहुत मजा आता है,
and you can't even explain कि क्या थूकता है.
हाँ.
like you know, तू sweet
You
pan
have
भी
to
बोलेगा,
show it.
तब yeah, you have to just show
You
it.
have to show it because you can't just say spit, because the word spit does not cover the street art that is
the
born out of
revolution
it.
that is there. Do not spit here. Poop on that.
We have a very different take on let's paint the town red. We have a literal take on it, and everybody paints the town red. Everybody participates, from truck driver to rickshaw wala to normal citizens.
This is the most thing which is like community.
I have seen people spit out of and while on and in every mode of transportation but planes.
Yes.
But I have seen spitting outside airports. I have seen that. It is just that plane का अंदर क्योंकि खिड़की नहीं खोल सकता है इसके लिए थूकता नहीं है public.
उधर भी अगर एयर होस्टेस स्टायरोफोम का कप देगा ना, चालू हो जाएगा वहाँ पे. That's it.
अपने इधर इतना थूकता है कि मैं पुणे गया था अभी बीच में शो के लिए. ऑन द वे फूड मॉल पे रुकता ना, फूड मॉल का वॉशरूम है, ठीक है, नया फूड मॉल जो बना है, इट इज अ बिगर वॉशरूम, स्टिल स्टिंक्स लाइक इट इज नॉट इनफ, बट इट इज बिग इनफ वॉशरूम, सो मेनी यूरिनल, वो क्या बोलता है तेरा, स्टॉल वगैरह वो सब है. एंड एवरीवेयर दे हैव पुट अप अ फ्लायर, and I have seen this because I keep on going to Pune from time to time. They put up all of these flyers which say please don't spit in the urinal, because they have actually kept proper trained legit people who are there to just clean the piss. You don't need to make it dirtier by being like अरे तू साफ तो कर रहा है ना तो ये भी साफ कर.
That mentality is there.
So that they put everywhere. The signs did not work, so they finally kept a bucket with a sign which said spit here.
Idhar.
Spit here.
Yeah, that changes there everywhere. That is why you see government offices and all na, ये इतना height तक ना is always red in color. The paint of the wall. Because it's just like fuck, we can't stop this dude.
ये थूकते ही रहता है public.
It's like a bullseye throughout.
Throughout.
हाँ.
The only reply to a person spitting is a
And spitting is considered an insulting thing in any other situation.
Yeah.
If you spit on someone or you spit towards something, it is considered as an insult anyway.
In any society.
तो अभी recreational क्यों हो गया ये? ठीक है? To the point कि नहीं, there has to be infrastructure to combat the spitting.
Hey, you go to New York and other places, you will see graffiti. Right? And then we have our own take on graffiti.
Yeah.
This is modern art.
Yes.
तो Jackson Pollock का painting देखा है कभी? Here you will see. It's just paint thrown on a canvas. That is what it looks like. In fact, even the metro ka kaam which is going on, okay, throughout Mumbai city you will see metro ka work is going on since a couple of years.
True.
And for which they have put up those patras. है कि नहीं? Metro का काम चल रहा है, inconvenience, regretted का वो पत्रा जो रहता है, to cordon off on the
traffic
street.
वगैरह, हाँ, yeah.
All of those patras, halfway through, you will see are just pat on.
Yeah.
It's
इट्स लाइक यू आर सेइंग नहीं मांगता ये मेट्रो
हाँ तेरे वजह से ट्रैफिक तेरे वजह से मैं आज एक घंटा लेट पहुंचा है
maybe that is it, like there must be some proportion of pan eaters who are just protesting and we don't understand. We are just like shishi ganda kar rahe ho.
No, this is how I am protesting
Yeah.
against all of the bullshit that is happening to us regularly. 1200 crore rupees is by no means a small amount. Imagine how much of the 1200 crores is the profit margin
हाँ.
of a gutka company.
Oh.
If you look at the gutka company ka profits and if it's say 1500 crore rupees 2000 crore rupees उसमें से 1200 करोड़ साफ सफाई में जा रहा है dude. मतलब कोई और ही पैसा भर रहा है कोई और ही पैसा कमा रहा है और कोई और ही थूक रहा है ऐसा सीन हो रहा है.
Imagine if there are like tobacco whatever जो छोटा मैन्युफैक्चर वगैरह लोकल ब्रांड भी रहेगा ना तो वो लोग टोबैको ये अपना गुटखा वगैरह बना रहे हैं एंड दे हैव अ क्लीनिंग सर्विस आल्सो जो रेलवे पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पर है.
और बेटर येट इन एवरी ट्रेन मेक वन कोच द स्पिटिंग कोच
like the smoking
हाँ लाइक द स्मोकिंग कोच. रेस्टोरेंट में वगैरह कैसा है तुम लोगों को फूकने का दिस इज द स्मोकिंग एरिया दिस इज द नॉन स्मोकिंग एरिया वैसा ही रेलवे का भी कोच में दिस इज द स्पिटिंग कोच. आप अगर गुटखा खाते हो तो फिर यहाँ पर थूके बट यू नो व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इज द होल ट्रेन इज द स्पिटिंग कोच एट द मोमेंट द होल ट्रेन.
पब्लिक किधर फिट होएगा.
सोच ना वो बेसिस पे रिजर्वेशन मांग रहा है पब्लिक. अरे मैं स्पिटिंग कोच में रिजर्व किया था ये नॉन गुटखा ईटर को तुम टिकट दिया ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
वो छी वगैरह बोल रहे हैं यार ये जजमेंट के लिए थोड़ी मैं ट्रेन ले रहा है मैं ट्रेन ले रहा है झांसी जाने के लिए.
I think a lot of people will suddenly find happiness coming back in their lives if we find better ways to spend the 1200 crore rupees. Just saying. I think the railway minister should just come out and say during the budgeting 1200 crore लेके जा रहे थे तुम लोग थूकने वाला पब्लिक प्लीज थूकना बंद करो.
एटलीस्ट एक बुलेट ट्रेन आ सकता है तुम्हारा गांव तक बुलेट ट्रेन लेके जाएगा हम लोग अगर थोड़ा थूकेगा नहीं तो.
थोड़ा दिमाग वापरो डस्टबिन का ऊपर मत थूको आजू बाजू में मत थूको ट्रेन पे मत थूको रुको अंदर सिंक है
चल ना चल
पानी चालू करके थूकना बह के तो जाने दे.
क्या अटका रहा है बे
सुखा के छोड़ के जा रहा है मैं यहाँ था ऐसा करके.
इट्स लाइक I think that's the thing, right? It's like marking territory for us.
Yeah, like how dogs piss.
Yeah. Marking territory. कि ये मैं इधर था. But the thing is, there's so many people every day.
I have decided to leave my mark on the world for somebody else to clean.
Yeah.
That is what गुटखा consumption is.
जो साफ किया ये. रुक एक रुपया का पैकेट दे.
All right, that brings us to the end of episode 18?
Yes.
19. All right. That brings us to the end of episode 19 of Radical Measures. If you've liked the content, if you've laughed, if you've found it funny, share it with your friends. Do follow us on Instagram as well. We end up putting out a lot of work over there as well. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Do not spit.
Care.
Be better citizens.
Sure.
Whoosh, boo, 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 boo.